We're on a mission. A mission together with partners across the EU to power up every business across the Union. On the way to a strong digital Europe, the network of European Digital Innovation Hubs, EDIs, will play a crucial role to accelerate economic growth and well-being in the regions. EDI Northern Netherlands does this by offering the TopDutch region as the main testing ground for autonomous systems in the EU. We believe that to create a more sustainable society, both economically and socially, we need to do things differently. We need key system-level transitions, and in TopDutch, we're accelerating those transitions by making systems smarter. We're confident that autonomous systems will play a crucial role in this. Our focus is on 4 domains. Smart Agro, applying breakthrough technologies to optimize the food, bio-based and circular value chains of the future. Factory of the future, developing intelligent, connected and customized production processes for intelligent, connected and customized products. Life sciences and health, giving our citizens more healthy years by predicting and preventing more illnesses and building less invasive treatments for what's left. Built environment and mobility, making the spaces where we live and work and how we travel across them greener, smarter and more efficient. But this is just the beginning. We're looking forward to cooperating with other EDIs to make Europe stronger. You can share our adventure in leading the transition with the help of autonomous systems. We provide access to technical expertise and testing, as well as the possibility to test before invest. Join our mission. We are TopDutch, naturally leading the transition.